All right, let's take you right now to the constituency of Seelampur. The latest coming in, the Delhi police has finally reacted on charges of fake vote in burqa allegation. No fake voting in Seelampur, says the Delhi police. The cops say the confusion arose due to similar names and a shared address, not because of voter fraud. The presiding officer has resolved the issue as per electoral rules, allowing both to vote. That's the big news break coming in. Everybody is on edge, viewers. You have allegations and counter-allegations. The Delhi police now giving out their clarification on the controversy in Seelampur.
इन्होंने बाहर से महिलाएं बुला रखी है, मास्क पहन के या बुरखे की आड़ में उसे नकली स्कूल नकली वोट जो डलवाएंगे, तो ये तो तरीका ठीक नहीं है ना। ये दोनों क्या चाहते हैं? दोनों रंगा बिल्ला चाहते क्या है? एक 25 साल से बैठा है, एक 10 साल से बैठा है। इलाके में तो काम नहीं करा इन्होंने, ये भाईचारा खत्म करा। इन्होंने दंगे का रूप दिया, कई बार दंगे का रूप दिया इन दोनों ने। कौन जिम्मेदार होगा? ये जिम्मेदार नहीं है क्या?
All right, before I turn around to our election intelligence dashboard, I want to bring in my colleague Shreya Chatterjee, who's get us more on what's really going on. Shreya, give us a sense that the Delhi police now coming in, giving out a clarification on what account?
Well, you know, this was a confusion, Preeti, that started that, people were voting in fake numbers clad in burqa. This was something that actually arose with BJP claiming this, but the Delhi police suggest nothing like that has happened on the ground. One person, lives as a tenant in the same address and both their names are same. That is the reason one person was stopped to vote, but that was a confusion. When rechecked after Delhi police staff arrived, the presiding officer has allowed both the voters to vote. So there is no fake voting that's happening in burqa clad is what Delhi police has said. So they've clearly gone on to say that nothing like this is happening in Seelampur. It was a commotion that arose out of a confusion.
Commotion that arose out of confusion is what my colleague Shreya Chatterjee is saying. But Shreya, on a larger outlook, you've been tracking now till about 1:30 p.m. what we are looking at. It does seem, Shreya, though the voting percentage is moderate, very high in certain areas, sluggish in some, ultimately we are looking at inching towards that 60% or possibly surpassing it, which was in 2020.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. By the time the day ends, Delhi will at least be clocking the same percentage that was there in 2020, if not more. And it will be interesting to see how that translates, because if you see the tensions on the ground, both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, they are at the edge, fighting it out, levelling allegations. They do not want to leave any stone unturned. So this is really a fierce battle. Whoever says what, it clearly will be interesting to see which way it turns on the 8th of February.
All right, thanks, Shreya, for joining us.